Every minute of downtime affects profitability and customer satisfaction. Production delays, unplanned downtime, excess inventory, missed delivery commitments. These challenges continue to impact manufacturers' productivity, profitability, and customer satisfaction in 2026. The problem isn't a lack of effort, it's a lack of real-time visibility. When critical production data is scattered across systems, identifying issues and making timely decisions becomes difficult. This is where KPIs make a difference. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicator, a measurable metric that helps manufacturers track performance, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. The most successful manufacturers don't just collect data, they focus on KPIs that drive performance. By monitoring the metrics that matter most, they gain real-time visibility into production efficiency, quality, inventory, and on-time delivery. One of the most important KPIs is Overall Equipment Effectiveness, OEE. By measuring availability, performance, and quality, OEE helps manufacturers uncover hidden production losses and maximize equipment utilization. Production schedule, adherence, and first pass yield help manufacturers stay on schedule, reduce rework, minimize scrap, and consistently deliver high-quality products. Inventory turnover and on-time delivery rate provide real-time visibility into inventory efficiency and customer fulfillment performance, helping manufacturers balance cost control with customer expectations. Downtime tracking helps manufacturers identify recurring equipment issues, reduce production interruptions, and maximize throughput across the production floor. However, tracking KPIs manually is time-consuming and often results in outdated information. Manufacturers need real-time KPI visibility to make faster, smarter decisions. With OptiPro Manufacturing integrated with SAP Business One, manufacturers gain real-time KPI dashboards, complete operational visibility, and actionable insights that drive productivity, increase efficiency, and continuous improvement. Thank you for watching. To learn more about OptiPro Manufacturing Solutions or schedule a personalized demo, contact our team today. We look forward to helping transform your manufacturing operations.